What's going on, guys? Real Legit Fishing here, and today we're out here at a pond close to my house. Right now it's just past 7 o'clock, so we're getting a little bit of a late start, but if you look around me, so it's really foggy and overcast. I think we should be okay. I think it's right around 65, 70 degrees. Oh, line's running. There we go. Ski him on in here. There we go. This one's a little better. On my jig again, just fishing around these bluegill beds with my jig. Second bass. May catch a smaller fish. I'm gonna move her to this deeper part. Hopefully, oh, there's a. Oh, what is that? What did I catch? Well, I just caught a turtle. Well, guys, there goes my turtle. Not sure if that counts. Right when I was talking about moving out deeper, because there's. Oh, yep. There we go. It's a bigger one. This is what I was talking about. This is why I'm moving out deeper. Be my biggest one yet. Nothing too big. Get up here. There we go. My third fish in about 30 minutes. Come on. Really killing this jig right now. Swim jig. Little chunker there. Nice little fish on my rat. There we go. There we go, guys. Little bitty fish on this rat. Let's get this one back. Hopefully come back in a few years and this is a stud. There we go. First little fish. Fishing this little bluegill crankbait or bluegill swim bait by Spro. Nice little guy. There we go. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. We caught a few decent fish, but we did lose a few lures, so I'm gonna go grab those in just a second. But if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe down below. I'm gonna go get in the water.
guys next time.